Hi guys, so today we are going to be making the portfolio, and this is quite large. So I have zoomed out here so that you can see everything. Let me get it straight. Okay, so you're gonna need 9 by 12 inches. So I've just put 2 pieces of paper together, regular pieces. So I'm gonna do 9 at the top and 12 down. 9 by 12. And then we're going to cut 9 by 12 out. Now to make this, you're going to need scissors, tape, a ruler, and a pencil, I believe. And now we are going to turn it like this. I'm going to turn it over and put some tape on the other side. Alright, now we're going to place dots along the top and the bottom at 4 inches and 9.5 inches. So 4 inches and 9.5. I guess I can zoom back in now. There we go. 4 inches, 9.5, and then down here too, 4 inches, 9.5, and now we're going to draw lines. All right, now we're going to place dots on the left and the right at 1 inches and 8 inches and draw lines. 1 inch, 8 inches, 1 inch, 8 inches, and we're going to draw lines here. Oh, did I do that right? Place dots on the top and bottom at 4.5 and 9 inches and draw lines. So now we're doing 4.5 and 9 inches. So we're doing right here. And we're going to draw lines to the corners from here. Like this. It's not very good. Place dots on the first and second horizontal lines at 1.5 and 2 inches. 1.5 and 2 inches. We're going to hold the ruler on the dots and then draw lines from the 3 to 4 inch mark. Oh, here. I guess that's how we're going to close it. We're going to cut these with a knife. The portfolio is to be tied with a cord, one end being drawn through this slip. You know what this is reminding me of? It's reminding me of a big stamp book. Alright, so now we're going to do some cutting. We're going to cut this part here. We're going to cut this part here. This part here. This part here. So we're going to cut these out, and then we're going to cut this with a pen knife, or you can use scissors. You could also use this as an envelope to mail some pictures to a friend. Alright, and now the fold. I'm going to fold this up. This in. Alright, now I'm going to get a penknife and cut this. Now you can grab a bit of yarn, pull it through, there you go, there's the portfolio.